Hello everyone, this is another mysterious function for finding g with the given information. And so as you can see that f is given and then f of 3x plus 2 is equal to g of 3 minus xx. So what we do is that we are going to plug in the 3x plus 2 into the function so that we can figure out what g of 3 minus xx is. And from there we can figure out g. So now we first plug in the 3x plus 2 into the function. So we are going to write down the function f first. So we have f of blank and then 4 times the blank and then minus 5. So what we do is that we are going to plug in this 3x plus 2 in there. So plug this 3x plus 2 into the function. And then now what are we getting? We are going to just simplify this expression here. So we are going to get 12x plus 8 and then minus 5, and then continue with the simplifying. So we are going to get 12x plus 3. And so we know that this is equal to g of 3 minus xx, right? That tells us that g of 3 minus xx is actually equal to what we just got here, right? Which is 12x plus 3. Okay, so now what are we going to do next? Because we need to find g, so we need to find g of x, actually, as you say. So we actually need to manipulate this expression and try to turn it into x. So that means we got to substitute something into x so that we can turn this expression into x, right? So if you just think about the idea, we can actually do something like this. So we have 3 and then minus 6 and then some stuff, right? That stuff we actually don't know what that is. And then that would be x, right? So, and then so that we can replace this by x if we substitute something into this x right here. So now, how do we do it? We can actually solve for this question mark right here. So we subtract 3 from both sides. So we get negative 6 and then that question mark. And then that will give us x minus 3. Okay, and then divide both sides by negative 6, right? This is really just solving an equation for the question mark. And so if we divide both sides by negative 6, what are we getting? We get negative 1 over 6x, and then minus 3 divided by negative 3 divided by negative 6, we get positive 1 over 2. And so you can see that this question mark right here, this is what we need to substitute into this x right here so that we can turn this g of 3 minus xx into g of x. Okay, so what we are doing is that we'll just do g of, now we have 3 minus xx, right? So 3 minus 6, and then now for this x, we put this expression in there. So we have negative 1 over 6x. Oh, I just realized that I need more space right here, so let me erase that. And then what happens? We have plus 1 over 2. And then what happens is that on the right hand side, we have 12x plus 3, so we are going to get 12 and then blank. Yeah, because we need to substitute, if we substituted this expression into this x here, we also need to do the same for that x. So we leave it as blank and then plus 3. And then now put this in here. So put that blue expression in here. So negative 1 over 6x plus 1 over 2. And so now we are ready. So we can simplify right here. Actually, we know what we are going to get, right? So we are going to get, this is positive x, right? So we get 3 plus x, and then negative 6 times positive 1 over 2, we get minus 3. So on the right hand side, we are going to get what? Now multiply them, we get negative 2x, and then 12 times positive 1/2 is going to be positive 6 plus 3. Okay, simplify this, we get g of x. And then what do we get on here? We are going to get negative 2x and then plus 9. So that's our final answer. Here's something to watch next. Thank you for watching. I will see you next time.